Hello, welcome to the channel M&E Tricks. In today's tutorial, we are going to explain how to merge the multiple response variable once if it's segregated using the SPSS syntax. We have a command already written in the SPSS syntax for this variable. Let's run this command. So after running this command, our variable has been, you can see initially we had just 2 variables. So now we have 5 variables because this question 194 is a multiple response variable and the responses of it are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 responses were there. That's why SPSS has transformed this variable into 5 variables. So we are going to now merge this multiple response into a single response variable. For this we need a manual operation. We need to go to analyze first, then click in the bottom multiple response section. From there we can select multiple response section. We can select define variable set. We click the define variable set. A new window will open. Here we need to select question 194_1 to 5 because these are the segregated new variables. Okay, so here we have 2 options. Variable are coded as dichotomies or the categories. In our case we have the categories, not the binary responses. So we need to select the categories, and the categories are from 1 to 6. It depends upon the responses or the options available for a respondent to opt. In our case we have 6 options, that's why we have selected. So we need to name the multiple response now. MV2 we are giving this name and then add here. So now you can just close this one. And if you want to run any analysis now, for instance you want a frequency table, again just go to multiple response variable, define variable set, then down there you can see the frequencies. Just click the frequency MV2. So now press OK. Here you can see a frequency table where you can see that emergency center has had 6 responses, education institution has 84 responses. Now I'm going to run a graph here using these 2 variables. For the graph, go to chart builder, press OK. So here a new tab has been opened, reset all. So to create the graph and the table, we need to define the multiple response variable basically in the custom table section. Here we need to again define the multiple response set. So just from here to 194, go to variable section, then categories, and then name it MV2. Add here and then press OK. So now again go to the graph, chart builder, press OK. So just reset now. Take this graph here, use MV2 as an axis, and are you using this variable, the link node, this variable as a y-axis? So we just want to, if you want a bar chart then click here, line chart then any of this chart can be changed, area chart, pie chart, scatter plot, histogram, but we are interested in the bar chart. So just OK now. So here we have okay, sorry, it was the chart format was changed. Anyhow, we can go to again the chart builder and select the bar chart option and again OK. So here we can see that with the MV2, it was basically the multiple response variable. We have created a bar chart that is with respect to the other variable, that is that are you using the link rod constructed in your area, and the respondent has opted multiple responses like emergency center, education, this, and the responses are here. So this is how we are merging the multiple response variable after segregation. If you are interested to learn about the segregation of the multiple response variable using SPSS syntax, a link is here of the variable of the tutorial. You can watch this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that our new updates will be available to you. Thank you.